Hi everyone, Katie from the Montessori Room here, and today I'm going to tell you what you will find in our cleaning set. We have included 8 child-size practical life tools that can be used for cleaning up. So the first thing is a towel apron, great for protecting the clothes, especially during any sort of water activities like washing the dishes. We also have this little drying mitt that's great for wiping up wet spills. A hand broom and a dustpan for cleaning up dry spills. A natural bamboo dish brush that can be used to wash dishes, also for washing fruits or vegetables. We have a child-sized spray bottle and a squeegee to wash the windows or a mirror. And finally, a duster for dusting the shelves, maybe dusting their bedrooms or the playroom. All of these items are included in the cleaning set, and it also comes with instructions on how to use the different materials, how to introduce them, what types of activities to do. So go to our website for more information, themontessoriroom.com.